Hey y'all, it's Netta Monroe. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm coming at y'all with a quick tutorial on how I installed this gorgeous U-part wig unit. And this video is in collaboration with Luvme Hair. I have worked with them in the past. I will link the braid in bundles down in the description box for those who want to see it. But now let's get into this wig unit. So it does come to you in the mail in this box. And the wig unit that they sent is this 18-inch body wave unit. And I'm going to show you guys the cap construction. It does have the adjustable straps in the back that have the hooks on it so you can latch it into place. And then it also has 3 wig combs that clip into place right around that leave out to secure that wig so that it does not move. So now I'm going to show you guys the easiest, best braid pattern for a U-part wig installation. Here it is, you guys. All you need to do is make sure that all of the braids are stemming from your leave out. This is going to ensure that you have the flattest install possible so your leave out is not buckling, it's not puckering up, you don't see any lumps or bumps right at that point. So now I'm going to show you guys how to easily install this. All I did was clip the 3 wig combs into place, and before I braided up this, I did map out how big the U-part was and exactly where everything was going to lay, so that is super important. For the rest of the wig, there were no combs around that perimeter, so you can choose to just bobby pin it into place for some more security, but I did sew it down because she did not plan on taking this off. To each his own, you do what you feel. They did send a awesome flat iron. The only issue that I had was that my cord was too short for how far away my power outlet was, but other than that, it is great. Now the flat iron does come in Celsius, so all I did was shoot to Google and just converted it into Fahrenheit so I can know exactly what I was using. But this doggone flat iron works like a charm. You guys can see the curls that it is producing. All I did was feed the hair in and keep on turning my flat iron, and it produced these gorgeous curls. You guys can see it for yourself. This is the finished look, you guys. It came out gorgeous. I did manipulate this hair a whole lot. You guys can see I'm just running my hands through it, and the curls did not budge. Make sure that you check that description box. The link to this wig unit will be down there along with my coupon code SHAN10. Make sure that you follow Luvme Hair on their social media. They're also going to be down in my description box so that you guys can get to them easier. Mine will also be there as well. As always, I want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure that you like, comment, and hit that subscribe button before you leave. And I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Bye.